I am Sway to the 99 and I'm back for day 4 of the spring cleansing, which I am doing just as a little healthy kickstart to spring. And the 99 is partnering up with me for this 7-day cleanse. So one, every item that I'm using, I did find at the 99. And two, these recipes are just for entertainment slash inspiration purposes only. They do have health benefits, but I am not a doctor. I am simply using these for my own benefit, and I'm sharing with you guys just to give you ideas of what you could do in your home. Also, if you don't have a juicer, you don't have to go out and buy one. You can simply use your blender. And once you have your juice, you can just simply strain it with a regular strainer or a cheesecloth just to get all those juices out of your blender. So you'll notice that I did leave a lot of the green on the cantaloupe, and that's because it does contain a lot of chlorophyll, which is really good for your skin clarity, for detoxing, for digestion. It also gives you a lot of energy. So I like to include that in my drink. And some of the health benefits of cantaloupe include to help lower blood pressure, promotes healthy skin, it's good for your eyesight, and also reduces stress. So there's definitely a lot of health benefits in cantaloupe. However, I would definitely say if you are interested in doing any type of juicing or any type of diet, to definitely check with your doctor before starting anything. And cheers! Yummy. This one is so delicious, you guys. Ooh, yeah, that is definitely very tasty. And I think I'm going to throw in a little bit of turmeric just for extra flavor. So the other things I just want to remind you of that the 99 does have several other healthy items, including workout gear. So if you are trying to get summer ready, I would definitely say go check out your local 99. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great one, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.